Welcome to Dr.LEO's Aura, a space where you power up our purpose, reset your mind, and awaken your aura. Today, we are diving into one of the most life-transforming habits you can ever master: focus. In a world of noise, distractions, infinite scrolling, unfinished to-do lists, how do you lock in your focus like a laser? Focus is the bridge between your goals and your reality. And today, I'll give you one strategy, just one, that can completely reshape how you approach every single task. So let's dive into the video. So I'll be talking 3 segments today. Number 1, what is Solar Focus Framework, which will change your life. Number 2, how you can apply the Solar strategy into your life. And number 3 will be the takeaway of this video. So let's get into the segment 1. Solar Focus Framework. Let's be honest. You don't lose focus because you're weak or lazy. You lose focus because your brain is overloaded, under-prioritized, and craving clarity. Focus isn't about intensity, it's about alignment. It's about intention. So instead of trying to force focus, let me give you a framework to activate it naturally. It's called the Solar Focus Framework. So, I'm talking taken out about the Solar Focus Framework. And the strategies work for any single task like studying, working, meditating, praying, or even daily tasks. So the Solar God, SOLAR. Get ready, taken out, and be with me. Number 1, S. Set the scene. Your mind reflects your environment. Before doing any task, ask yourself, am I in a space that promotes focus? Is it quiet, clean, prepared? So clear your physical and mental space. Focus thrives in simplicity. For example, before studying, clear your desk. Before praying, silence your phone. Before meditating, dim the lights. And the second one, O. One goal only. The human brain can't do 5 things with full focus. So one task, one purpose, one goal. Say out loud, I'm now focusing on dash task for the next dash minutes. That declaration tells your brain, lock in, nothing else matters. And the third one is L. Limit the time. Your brain works best under time pressure. Use the focus sprint method, 25 minutes of deep work and 5-minute break. It's also known as Pomodoro style. So what you can do is use a timer, create urgency, your mind obeys structure. And the fourth one is A, anchor your mind. Before the task, take 60 seconds to breathe, center, and visualize completion. So what you can do is close your eyes, inhale, exhale. Picture yourself finishing with excellence. That's how you program your focus. And the next one is R. Reflect and reward. Once done, take a moment. Reflect on how you focused. Celebrate small wins. Let's build the habit loop. So once you finish, say Dr. Leo, you stayed focused for 25 minutes. That's discipline, my girl. That's growth. You did it. We have finished what is the Solar Framework. So how to apply this strategy? So let's dive into the segment 2, application of Solar strategy to every single task. So if you're studying, you can set the scene with a clean desk. You can just take one subject at a time. And about the timing, you can set a time block for 25 minutes as in Pomodoro. And to anchor your mind, breathe and visualize how it's gonna be when you finish your daily task. And finally, don't forget to reward yourself with a short break. If you're working on a project, number 1 thing you have to do is clear your browser. Just take one tab. And for your project, define one outcome that you would like to have. And time is important, so make the timer on, sprint, and with a stretch or a short walk, or just do whatever you love. And it's applicable even in praying and meditating. Take a silent room with no phone. Set an intention that I'm here to connect. Use breathing as an anchor. No multitasking, just presence. Even you can upload this to cleaning, journaling, and cooking. Treat each like a ritual. Be fully present over there. one thing at a time and turn it into a mindful moment. So I hope you get how to apply this solar strategy into your daily life. And the final message from Dr. Leo is focus is not something you wait for. It's something you design. And when you learn to control your focus, you begin to control your life. Remember, your energy flows when your attention goes. Don't let distraction write your story. Every focus moment is a brick in the empire you are building. Today, start small. Use the solar focus framework in just one task, then another, then another. Soon, you won't just be focused, you'll be unshakable, unbreakable. So, this is Dr. Leo's Aura. Thank you for tuning in. If this episode brought you clarity, power, and peace, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to reclaim their focus today. See you until next time. Keep shining, keep showing up, and never forget your aura becomes unstoppable when your focus becomes unbreakable. Bye bye.